friends, today I have recipe of Paneer Tikka Masala, restaurant style. So to make this recipe, we'll need 4 serving spoons of vegetable oil. This is the tandoori marination sauce. Then we'll need paneer, that is 300 grams of paneer, cottage cheese. This is the melon paste. Melon paste makes your sauce thick and creamy. And I have some vegetables, one medium sized capsicum, one medium sized onion, one medium sized tomato roughly chopped. And in spices we'll need 1 teaspoon of dry coriander seeds, 1 teaspoon of kitchen king masala, 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. This is the restaurant style gravy and the link of this recipe is in my description box. And in the end we'll garnish some fresh cream on the top. So in the beginning we'll make the marination. So in this marination we'll add paneer cubes and we'll rest it aside for half an hour. So I'll just mix it well, and this is already marinated. So to make this paneer tikkas, I have already greased and heated a pan and we'll cook this paneer on a medium flame from all the sides. You have to cook it from all 4 sides properly. So let it cook. It's cooking on a medium flame, and by the time these tikkas are cooking, we'll make our masala, that is sauce. So to make this sauce, first we have to heat the oil. Let it heat well, and after oil is heated, in the beginning you add 1 teaspoon of dry coriander seeds. So I'm adding dry coriander seeds. And after seeds splutter in the oil, we'll add those chopped vegetables. Now at the moment I'm cooking on a high flame. So we'll just stir these vegetables on a high flame for 2 minutes. We don't have to overcook it. I just forgot to mention we need 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste also. So after vegetables are little bit done, we'll add 1 teaspoon of ginger and garlic paste. And again we'll saute this together for 1 minute. So this is already done, and now I'm going to add my spices. Red chili powder. This is kitchen king masala. Salt to taste, and we'll give it a stir again. So after it is mixed well, now I'm going to add gravy. Now the recipe of this gravy, the link of this recipe is already given or shared in my description box. We don't need to cook it too much now. Now here I'm adding the melon paste, melon seeds paste, and mix it well. You can see it makes your sauce thick. Beautiful. Look at this. These paneer tikkas are already made and they are looking absolutely fine. So now I'm going to add my paneer tikkas which are already cooked to my sauce. And now this is already cooked, so we don't need to cook for a long time. We have to just mix it well. This gravy is really absolutely delicious. You give it a try. So we'll just mix it. Wow, it's looking absolutely delicious. And so I'm going to garnish with some fresh cream. So this is my today's recipe of paneer tikka masala. I'll see you in the next video with the new recipe. So if you are new on my channel, kindly subscribe my channel and we'll share more recipe. Till then, you take care and goodbye.